what came in the mail. My new 4-piece washcloth set, and I'm excited. It's soft linen luxury, 100% Turkish genuine cotton, and let's see how it's gonna feel. This seemed very affordable and a great value for our money. Oh, I like it. You can tell it's very luxurious and it's very soft as well. And it has a nice design, striped design, and I'm going to show you a close-up of it right now. So here's a close-up, and as you can see on these braids, it does have a nice sheen to it, and it is very soft against the skin. I like it. Look how squishy that is. I can see that this is one of the best sellers, and I can see why. Very good quality. So you get 4 of these, and it is machine washable and dryable too. We got these in white. However, you can buy these in a variety of colors, and they also recommend for you to wash before using. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.